Hello. I would like to talk to all the current students and temporary foreign workers that are in Canada, and just wondering if you know the difference between implied status and restoration of status. So implied status is when you're in Canada, you're studying, you're working, and you see that your permit's about to expire, so you apply to extend it. While you're waiting for it to process, your documents expire. However, you are considered to be under implied status, meaning you can continue to work or study until a decision is received from IRCC. Now, restoration of status is when you've completely ran out of status in any category and you need to apply for restoration of status. This means that you have 90 days from the time that your current document expires to apply for a new program or some kind of an extension, whatever you're eligible for, and you pay restoration fees of $200. So that today is my topic, implied status or restoration of status. If you need any more information on that, please reach out. Always happy to help.